Microsoft Excel. Till now, we have been learning about the important functions and formulas of Microsoft Excel. We have learned about sum, average, multiplication, subtraction. Now, we will be learning about division today. And division is a very, very interesting function. And like subtraction, it also does not have a formula. Now, let's begin our session for the day to understand division. So, as said, we will be learning about division today. Now, why do we use division? Like arithmetic operators, sum, multiplication, subtraction, average, division is also very important. You can, let's say you want to distribute about 100 copies of magazines to your team, and your team is about 20 people. How are you going to distribute it? A very, already because you will be knowing division, you will be knowing that you will be dividing 100 by 20, and you will be distributing 5 copies to 20 members, right? So 5 copies each. But what we will be learning here is how to use division in Microsoft Excel. And like that we did in multiplication as well, we will also see how to do it with a constant number. Now, for division, there is no formula. Like subtraction, we use hyphen. For multiplication, we use the asterisk. Here, we will be using the forward slash. Now, how do you locate forward slash? If you see your keyboard, you will be able to see 2 types of slash. One just above enter. So, where the enter key is, you will just above that, you'll be able to locate the backward slash. While just beside shift, so on your right hand side of keyboard, where shift is, you will be able to locate the forward slash. Right? So that is forward slash, and right above enter is your backward slash. Make sure whenever you're using the keyboard, you locate it properly and you try out that the arithmetic operator, which is the forward slash, is working, and that is not the backward slash. Now, how do you divide the numbers in a cell? You divide the numbers in a cell by using the forward slash. Now, it's very important to know that you have, because what you have to do is, let's say for example, you have to take a larger number and you want to divide it with the other number. You can simply write equals to this divided by this number, and you will get the answer, right? It's not that you have to also put the cell and select a cell there. No, you will be able to divide any numbers with any numbers depending on what is your outcome. Now, another thing that you also need to understand is there are times when you might get a remainder or a different answer where it's not properly divisible, right? So what you have to do there is you have to make sure the whole answer will be coming in the decimal point, and you have to choose the number of decimal points that you want to select, right? So let's see how to use the division formula. So we'll go to Microsoft Excel. So let's say I put 100 and 50 here, and I can simply do equals to 100 divided by 50. You get 2. Now understand one thing. Here I haven't selected any cell. What I just did is 100 divided by 50. So make sure you're always inserting equals to, right? If not, you see, you won't get any answer here. So equal to sign is very, very important for your division to work, right? So if you put equal to here, if you insert an equal to here, you will get the answer here itself. And what you have to do is, let's say for example, another thing that I can do is I'll select this cell, right? Click here, insert the forward slash and select this, right? And equals to, you will also get the answer. So here this one equals to this one and you will get the answer as well. So this is how you can do division in Microsoft Excel. Right? Another way to do it is, let's see, equal to, select this cell and then put the forward slash, the other cell, and insert close bracket, and you will also get the answer. So you can also insert brackets, the open bracket and the close bracket. You can also just write the numbers if you want to, but make sure that you are using the equal to sign before you are applying the division formula. Now, let us understand how to do it with a constant number. So, let me put numbers here. I'm going to be putting random numbers. As you can see, I've put inserting and I want to divide this by 50. Right? So what you can do is equal to, right, the open bracket. So you insert the open bracket, then put the cell and put the slash, again insert this number, put a bracket at 20 here, right? And you see this black colored plus sign, you drag it, you see it's not come. Why hasn't it come? Because I didn't select this. So instead what you have to do is, to get the constant numbers, is, let's you put equal to, enter, open, insert open bracket, select this cell, right? Put, insert the forward slash and write 50. And you insert the close bracket. Press enter, right? Now go here, select here, then drag this black color plus sign down, and you see you have got the answer here. As you can see, it has already come with the remainder, so that has come with the decimal point. So these are the decimal points that you see, right? And depending on your requirement, you can also format this. To format this, you require, go here, select, then go to format cells, then go to number, and it can be up to 2 decimal places, 3 decimal places, 4 decimal places, depending on your requirement. So let's see, if I want to put 4 decimal places, that I can apply to all of them altogether. So drag this, and you see everything has come into 4 decimal places, right? You just have to drag. You can apply the conditional formatting in one part and you can drag them. So all of the numbers will get updated depending on your decimal requirement. Again, what you have to do is go here, go to this number, do a right click on your mouse, go to format cells, go to number, because general is your default category, go to number, and you can adjust the decimal places here. You can, depending on your requirement. Let's say I put 3, and I do OK. So you see there are 3 decimal places. Now you see this plus sign that we have been using to drag. And all of the numbers get updated at the same time. So this is how you do the division, right? So this is done. So this is how you will be dividing. Again, to do division, the one way to do it is, I'm going to show it again. So 300, 6, you can do equal to 300 / 6. No brackets required, no cell selecting required. You press enter, right? The other way to do it is equals to, insert an open bracket, select this, click here, and insert the /, select this, click here, press and insert close bracket, and you get the answer as well. To divide this, let's say I want to divide this numbers with 5, what I have to do is equal to, insert open bracket, because 5 is my constant number. I'll insert this, insert the /, then write 5, close the bracket, and as you can see, then you have to drag this dark color, black color plus sign, drag it down till you want all the results, and you will get all the answers that you require. Because there are reminders, you are getting your answer not in a fraction format, but in a decimal format. Yes, so this is how you will be using the division formula in Microsoft Excel. Now, a very important thing that you should be knowing is, why are we inserting the equal to sign? Because if you're not, let's say you're not putting it as, if you're not inserting equal to sign, it might just consider a date. Now, if you have seen dates also come with a /, right? So you have the date, month, and the year, or month, date, year, date, month, year, month, date, depending on the combination that you would want it to be in as per your requirement, right? So your dates always has / there. Most of the times you will see the dates are given /. For example, if today is 15, then it will be 15/06/2022, right? If you are doing this, if you want double division and all, this might just be considered as a date. But always insert equal to whenever you are doing any sort of formula, because then that means you are looking for an answer there, right? Then it won't be considered as a date. Yes, so always, irrespective of doing division, multiplication, for any reason, some subtraction, average, just add a equal to sign there. Specifically for division, if you don't add an equal to sign, it might just be considering, the Excel might be considering that you have inserted a date, and you would not want that. To know more about division and how to do division, do visit support.microsoft.com. Also, when you get some time, do try to finish a course on Microsoft Excel in Microsoft Learn. Thank you.